What's up everybody, Sibi here. Welcome back to yet another video. In this video we are going to learn about tools. Let's create a new project. Let's click on the new and you can see the options like design file, Figma, jump file, import and browse templates. You can see from here you can choose templates like for iPhone 11 Pro Max, or you can choose like another smartphones, or if you want to make a web page you can also choose a desktop, or you can also choose 16:9 slide. And if you want you can also choose from here this pre-made templates. We also have preset, design system, presentation and wireframe. And if you click on this see more community, then it will redirect you to the community section. And it also has a Figma jam templates. Currently it is beta version, so we are interested in the blank space. And you can see here it is currently in imaginary programmer teams and first project, and you can see it is a first project. So we need a blank screen, so I'm gonna go with design file. After creating new file, then interface is gonna look like this. And if you want to rename it, you can just click on this drop down menu and you can just rename it from here. You can also move to project, delete, duplicate and export, and you can also view the version history. So for now I'm gonna just rename it. Let's rename it into tools. Okay, and as you can see there is a Figma logo on the left hand side, and if I click on this menu, then you can see the options. From this quick section option you can search anything. Like I want to search like polygon, I can directly use, and you can just draw the polygon like this. But let's look to the more options, and from here you can also go to file, edit, view, object, vector, text, arrange, plugins. Currently I installed only one plugin, that is photos. And we can also, and there is a more options like integration, preference, libraries, and you can also see the help and account. If you're using web version of Figma, then option could be different. Not all the options, some options like in this section it will have get desktop app. Okay, this is the move tool. From here you can move your vectors, object, images and all that. And there is also scale options. Okay, the next one is frame. As you can see in frame the shortcut is F. If you press F on the keyboard, then it has some templates like phone, tablet, desktop, presentation, watch, paper, social media and Figma community. But if you want to create like web page, then you can choose these options like desktop, MacBook, MacBook Pro, Surface Book and iMac. Most of the time I choose MacBook Pro, so let's click on it. Then the template is on the screen, and in frame we also have a slice option. I think slice tool is not used that much, so I'm gonna skip this. Okay, in the next section we have like shapes like rectangle, line, arrows, ellipse, polygon, star, and if you want to place image from your local media, you can also do that. And let's choose the rectangle. You can just drag it on the frame and you can see the rectangle is created. But if you want to draw square, the perfect square, then you have to hold shift on the keyboard like this. Then you can see the square is drawn on the frame like this. But if I remove my finger from the shape, then you can see the shape is changed now, and it is happened with all the shapes. Like I want to create a circle, then you can see I choose the ellipse and I'm dragging this, and I'm dragging the circle on the screen, but it is not the circle, it is the oval. So I want to create into the circle, so I'm gonna hold shift on the keyboard. So as you can see it is now circle like this. And here is a like really cool trick. You can see there is a 4 dots on the each side, and if I drag it inside you can create a circle like this. And if you want to create an icon, then you can like use this option to make your sharp edges into rounded corner. I think I already show you how to use these things in previous video, but I think I not show you how to duplicate the item. Like if you want to duplicate this circle, just click on it and hold alt on your keyboard and just drag it whenever you want. like this and leave it. And you can also change it into another shape, or if you want to make this circle into small, you can just hold shift and drag it down like this. Let's make it small and let's place it here. It could be our logo like this. Okay, the next option is pen. From pen you can make shapes, random shapes like this. You can also make waves from it, like let's say like this, like join it together. Okay, like this you can see. If you want, you can also add color in it. Just click on the fill and this plus button, and you can see, and the color is added, and the color is gray. And if you want to make some changes, then you can choose move, or you can just press V on your keyboard and just go on this red dot, and you can just drag it like this. Then shape is gonna change. Okay, like this. If you want to change this gray color into another color, then you have to just press this gray icon and just move and just drag it on this color section. You can also use gradient if you want. You can see the color is changed now on the frame like this. Okay, the next option is pencil. From here you can just draw like anything like this. And the next option is text. Let's add some text on the screen like this. Okay, let's type anything like random words. Okay, the size of font, it is very small, so if you want to make it bigger, just select the font using Ctrl A, and you can go to this text section and change the font size into like up to, I'm gonna keep it up to 48. So you can see the font size is increased now. And you can also change the type of font like this. My favorite font is VCR, so I'm gonna choose this one, and you can see the font is changed now like this. If you want, you can also add strokes, effects, and all that. And the next tool is hand tool. Let's say if you have more than one frame, let's duplicate this frame, press Alt and move it like this. And currently, if you are working on like a first frame and you want to move one frame to another, you can use this slide bar to move one frame to another frame, but it is not that effective. But if you have lots of frame, like 3 or 4 frame, you can just use hand tool, and the shortcut for the hand tool is H. And you can see the hand is on the frame, and just you can just drag it like this on the second frame, on the first frame like this. And the next tool is comment. Let's say you are working on the brick project and you want to add comment on the like frame, like this is the logo, so you can tell your teammates like this is the logo, do not change, like this. Okay, I made lots of spelling mistakes. Then your teammates will know that this is the logo, so we don't have to make any changes. So your another partner or teammate can reply to this message like okay, and just click on the reply. Okay, but you can see when I go into move tool, then it is gonna be invisible. But if I go into comment again, then it is visible now. And you can see this is the logo, do not change, and your teammate said okay. Those are all the tools in the Figma you can use to make any project like this one. We made like really weird project on screen. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.